morning, students and viewers. Today's class is about the importance of time. Always remember, time is precious than money. Time does not wait for anybody. So plan your life without wasting the time. Whatever you want to do, don't postpone. Do it yourself today or tomorrow. If you go on postponing next month, or next year, because time will not waste for you. Whatever you want to do, think well and you do yourself. You can achieve success. Most of the people does not know the value of time. Wise man understands the value of time. He or she never wastes a single moment, because with time we can build up so many things in the world. If you are not able to understand the value of time, it will be useless, wasted. Only countable years or you are living in this world. Life after 65, we are become unable to do anything. Physically and mentally, we are not able to do anything. So before that, plan your life for wasting the time. Education, higher studies, marriage, whatever you want. Building houses, everything should be done before 60 or 65. I told you several times, life is a mathematics. You postpone everything. Suppose you are financially sound, you okay. You have more benefits in your service or business. If you postpone your marriage and you get after marriage after 45, there is no meaning. There is a job waiting for others. What do you mean for get after 50 years of marriage? There is no meaning. So this is most important. What is our brain work doing? Thinking and planning. Plan and think. Go ahead without wasting time. Lazy man finds many hours to waste and he sleeping, thinking negative thoughts, gossip, how to make others unhappy. So wise man understands the value of time and he programming his future so he can reach at the top of the ladder. Success is not crowded at the ladder of the system. Success is waiting for you. Full success tapping the door of even fools, but he's not trying. He's trying to waste the time. Every day coming with a lot of changes. What are the changes you need? Do it. Select it and do it. Changes a must follow. You are living in the modern world. Changes happening every day. You pray to God after get up, God give me positive changes, not negative changes. Don't think about the past, bad luck and all. Think about the future. Where there is a way, there is a way. If you think there is a way, there is a way. If you are not thinking, there is no way. Always thinking that negative, then you pull into the negative side. Think positive and try to fill your brain with a positive energy wherever you go. Talk always good words. Happy people have happy friends. Make friends with the happy people. Don't talk any negative subject with other people. Don't laugh at others. Everybody has shortage. Headless man, tallest man, bulky man, slim man, black man. Everybody has shortages, spots and all. but don't laugh at others. That is boomerang that will return to you. Many people laugh at others. He is very headless man. He is very bulky man. He is the tallest man like giraffe and all. These type of words never make you happy. Instead of that, keep that in the mind and don't express it. Always we have bitter experience with others, but don't discuss others. Only talk about the positive side of that person. Some people are there, they are only discuss and talk about the negative attitude of other persons. There are some plus point of that person. Find out that, talk about the positive points of that person. Why you are keeping all negative sides of the other person? There may be some positive side. Take out that and talk about that person. He's a gentleman. He's a helping hand. But he's an angry person. He's a short-tempered person. That's not integrate. Even though he's a short-tempered person with a helping hand for the poor and needy. This type of speech is most. So that is only my good advice and suggestion. If you are interested, subscribe my channel. So far, nobody subscribe my channel. If you are not interested in my speech, tomorrow onwards, shall I put this conversation or discussing my speech? I think you are happy. If you are not happy, I am going to stop it for your goodness. I have any benefit in this. For your goodness I am talking about. Take it easy. Okay, have a nice day. May God bless all.